Welcome back to Tracy Finance 101. Listen carefully. Never let family ties, their emotional strings, pull you away from your money. Yes, you heard me right. You have to stop being a bank or a safety net for your family. I hate to say it, but it's true. Certain family will just constantly drain you dry and you cannot move forward. They will have you in the bottom right along with them. So you gotta tell them no. Because if you loan them money, you can say, oh, I loaned the money, and they'll take you 100 years to repay you back. No. Or they'll get in trouble, or they'll get in this, like a financial bind. But they didn't have a plan B. Well, they did. You're their plan B. You're the plan A and B, C, D, E, F, G. A lot of people fall in this trap. I've fallen in this trap. I took out some loan for a family member, tens of thousands of dollars. Took me years. Still paying it. Till I put my foot down, consolidated, said no more. I don't care if you're in jail. I don't care. I'll have to visit you or write you a letter. Not that my family members were in jail. It's just that I'm letting them know I don't care. Okay? Because my money is my money. And if I loan you something, I expect it back in a timely fashion. But then again, I'm not a bank, so I cannot loan you money. If you loan money to your family, you best believe kiss it goodbye. Don't expect it to return. I'm telling you, say no. It's okay if you feel generous. It's somebody's birthday, anniversary, graduation, whatever. But you keep your money close to your vest. And be careful. I do love sharing financial information. Like how to make money and, do this and do that. And, I'm doing pretty good. Once you start saying that, some people make a mental note and they come knocking on your door. Hello, for your money. They'll give you the greatest pitch for why you need to give them your money. And they'll pay you back. Oh my goodness. And then when time comes around to paying you back, they'll look at you sideways and like, what? Huh? Give me time. Why you keep buying me? And you have all of that. Wait till this date. Or hold on to the check. Hold on. Wait. And then you deposit it on this day. And if you sleep on it 1 minute, the check will bounce. So what I'm telling you, everyone, is it's nice to have money. And it's nice to help out family. But families can be vultures. Families can look at you like a sponge. You need to tell them, look, I can't help you financially. I can't. Especially when it comes to money that is going to put you in jeopardy or mess up your financial game. $10 or $20, fine. A couple of hundred, if that's not going to mess up your game, fine. But when it comes to serious money, you'd say no. No. They'll have to find other means of financing that problem. It is not going to be you. The last time you checked, you were not a bank. And tell them, I am not a bank, I'm not an ATM. I am whatever relative, aunt, sister, brother, whatever you are to them, that's all you are. That's it. Tell them you can help them in other ways, but not financially. I can say a prayer and leave it at that, because that will solve your problems. You will find instantaneous wealth when you drop those leeches, okay? And then they will probably get better themselves when they know they don't have a safety net anymore. And then they will try and do better. Or they'll know, well, man, I may not get in this situation again. Now that I know this person has shut the door of bank of auntie or bank of uncle or bank of sister or whatever it is. The bank of family has closed. All right? I hope this information is very valuable to you. If you like it, you know what you got to do. You got to subscribe and share if you care. And hit the notification bell to make sure you get all the latest updates. All right, my lovelies, I'll catch you all on the flip side.